Good morning. So today it's Christmas. Christmas time is here and the kids are opening some presents under the tree, and I am going to do the number 24 in here. So 24, next to last. This is a small one, so I'm really excited about what this can be. Oh, this was a hard one. I think I might have to use my scissor, but I want to be gentle about it. And what is this? Holy smokes! Oh my gosh! It is a magnet! And it is the most beautiful magnet ever. Priority. With roses, oh my gosh, and self-care. Oh wow, this is definitely staying in my book for the whole year. I might mix and match it with some other themes, but oh my gosh, look at this. This is so beautiful. And it has one point in the back. And I'm not gonna undo it on camera because it does something to the sound. I learned that the hard way, but this is beautiful. Gorgeous. Yay! I'm so happy. And I am actually going to start my book today and really dive in for you guys. So I have to admit that I will be cheating a little bit, because you will probably already have seen my book and it has this in it. So I did cheat a little bit, but I had to. I realized that really quickly when opening this. I wanted to do one thing per day for you guys, but at the same time, if I was going to be able to start my book and make the video of things, then I had to cheat a little bit on that. So I hope you guys can forgive me for that. So by this time you see this video, this package is already open, but I am not going to show you until tomorrow. So I'll see you again tomorrow.